हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू एसएस ओडिया ट्यूटोरियल। आज आम जियोग्राफी लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड एंड फिजिकल डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया रो एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करवा। लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड चैप्टर रो केते गुड़िक एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज ग्लोब? ऑप्शन ए अर्थ, ऑप्शन बी ट्रू मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ, option C both A and B, option D none of this. Right answer is option B true model of the earth. Next question, which of the following are shown on the globe in their true size? Option A countries, option B continents, option C oceans, option D all of this. Right answer is option D all of these. Next question, what is called a needle fixed through the globe in a titled manner? Option A orbit, option B axis, option C latitude, option D longitude. Right answer is option B axis. Next question, what divides the earth into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere? Option A Tropic of Capricorn, option B Tropic of Cancer, option C equator, option D Arctic Circle. Right answer is option C equator. Next question, name one of the following parallels of latitude as Tropic of Cancer. Option A 0 degree, option B 23 degree 30 minutes south, option C 23 degree 30 minutes north, option D 66 degree 30 minutes north. Right answer is option C 23 degree 30 minutes north. Next question, between which parallels of latitude is the torrid zone situated? Option A Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, option B Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, option C Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle, option D none of this. Right answer is option A Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Next question, which of the following zone is situated between 66 degree 30 minutes south and the pole? Option A torrid zone, option B temperate zone, option C freeze zone, option D all of these. Right answer is option C freeze zone. Next question, which of the following is called the prime meridian? Option A 23 degree 30 minutes north, option C 23 degree 30 minutes south, option C 82 degree 30 minutes east, option D 0 longitude. Right answer is option D 0 degree longitude. Next question, what divides the earth into the eastern and the western hemispheres? Option A equator, option B prime meridian, option C 82 degree 30 minutes east, option D none of this. Right answer is option B prime meridian. Next question, in which ocean are Tonga Island situated? Option A Indian Ocean, option B Atlantic Ocean, option C Pacific Ocean, option D none of these. Right answer is option C Pacific Ocean. Question number 11, On which parallels of latitude is Mauritius located? Option A 10 degree north, option B 20 degree south, option C 20 degree 30 minutes south, option D 0 degree. Right answer is option B 20 degree south. Next question. Which of the following which places is located at the intersection of 26 degree north and 90 degree east? Option A Dhubri, option B Mauritius, option C Tonga, option D Meerut. Right answer is option A Dhubri. What time does air take rotating from 1 degree longitude to next longitude? Option A 4 minutes, option B 15 minutes, option C 10 minutes, option D none of these. Right answer is option A 4 minutes. Next question. What is the time difference between the time of Dwaraka in Gujarat and the time of Dibrugarh in Assam? Option A 2 hour, option B 1 hour 30 minutes, option C 1 hour 45 minutes. Sorry for typing mistake. Option D 5 hour 30 minutes. Right answer is 1 hour 45 minutes. Option C. The local time of 82 degree 30 minute east longitude is taken as a standard time throughout India. It is known as A. Local time of India, B. Indian Standard Time, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Right answer is option B. Indian Standard Time by IST. Next question. The time of India is ahead of that of England by option A 2 hour, option B 5 hour 30 minutes, option 3 hour, option D none of these above. Right answer is option B 5 hour 30 minutes. Next question. Now let's discuss MCQs from Physical Division of India. Question number 1. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as option A Himadri, option B Lesser Himalaya, option C Shivalik, option D none of these above. Right answer is option A Himadri. Next question. The Kangra and the Kullu valleys are located in A. Option A Uttarakhand, option B Jammu and Kashmir, option C Himachal Pradesh, option D Uttar Pradesh. Right answer is option C Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Majuli is a riverine island located in the river option A Ganga, option B Brahmaputra, option C Yamuna, option D Kaveri. Right answer is option B Brahmaputra. Next question. Dudhwa National Park is located in the state of option A Assam, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Madhya Pradesh, option D Rajasthan. Right answer is option B Uttar Pradesh. Next question. The soil containing calcareous deposit is locally known as Option A Bhangar. Option B Khadar. Option C Bhavar. Option D Kankar. Right answer is option D Kankar. Next question. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is option A Anaimudi. Option B Dudhwaveta. Option C Uti. Option D Mahendragiri. Right answer is option D Mahendragiri. Next question. Heiselmer is in option A Himachal Pradesh. Option B Rajasthan. Option G Gujarat. Option D Uttar Pradesh. Right answer is option B Rajasthan. Question number 8. Birchens are found in option A desert region. Option B plains. Option C plateaus. Option D hilly regions. Right answer is option A desert region. Next question. The northern part of the western coast is called the option A Konkan. Option B Kannad Plain. Option C Malabar Coast. Option D Coromandel Coast. Right answer is option A Konkan. Next question. Lake Chilika lies in the state of option A Jharkhand. Option B Telangana. Option C Odisha. Option D Tamil Nadu. Right answer is option C Odisha. Next question. The landmass bounded by sea on three sides is referred to as option A coast. Option B island. Option C peninsula. Option D none of this above. Right answer is option C peninsula. Next question. Mountain ranges in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called as option A Himachal. Option B Uttarakhand. Option C Purvanchal. Option D none of the above. Right answer is option C Purvanchal. Next question. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as option A Coromandel. Option B Konkan. Option C Kannad. Option D Northern Sarkar. Right answer is option C Kannad. Next question. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is option A Anaimudi. Option B Kanchenjunga. Option C Mahendragiri. Option D Khasi. Right answer is option C Mahendragiri. Next question. A narrow gap in a mountain ranges providing across to the other side is option A Mund. Option B pass. Option C strait. Option D valley. Right answer is option B pass. Which two hills are located in the southeast of Eastern Ghats? Option A Mizorai Hills and Naga Hills. Option B Javdi Hills and Shivarai Hills. Option C Patkoi Hills and Manipuri Hills. Option D Mizorai Hills and Patkoi Hills. Right answer is option B Javdi Hills and Shivarai Hills. Next question. The longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are known as option A Kangra Valley. Option B Patkai Boom. Option C passes. Option D dunes. Right answer is option D dunes. Next question. In which division of the Himalayas are the famous valley of Kashmir, Kangara and Kullu located? Option A Himadri. Option B Himachal. Option C Shivaliks. Option D the dunes. Right answer is option B the Himachal. Next question. What are lesser Himalayas known as? Option A Himadri. Option B Himachal. Option C Shivaliks. Option D Purvanchal. Right answer is option B Himachal. Next question. Which of the following is the highest peak in India? Option A Mount Everest. Option B Kanchenjunga. Option C Nag Parvat. Option D Nanda Devi. Right answer is option B Kanchenjunga. Next question. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. Which of the following is the name of the northernmost range? Option A Himadri. Option B Himachal. Option C Shivaliks. Option D Purvanchal. Right answer is option A Himadri. Next question. Which of the following are Yongfold Mountains? Option A Aravalis. Option B Nilgiris. Option C the Himalayas. Option D Sahyadri. Right answer is option C Himalayas. Next question. Geologically, which of the following physical division, sorry for the typing mistake, division of India is supposed to be one of the most stable land block? Option A Himalayas. Option B Northern Plains. Option C Peninsular Plateau. Option D Indian Desert. Option C Peninsular Plateau. Next question. Which of the following physical division of India was formed out of the accumulation of in the Cretaceous geosyncline? Option A Himalayas. Option A Himalayas. Option B Northern Plains. Option C the Peninsular Plateau. Option D the Indian Desert. Right answer is option A Himalayas. Next question. Which of the following countries or continents was not a part of ancient landmass of Gondwana land? Option A India. Option B Australia. Option C Europe. Option D South America. Right answer is option C Europe. Next question. Which of the following division of India has the oldest landmass? Option A the Himalayas. Option B the Northern Plains. Option C the Peninsular Plateau. Option D the Indian Desert. Right answer is option C the Peninsular Plateau. Next question. According to the theory of plate tectonic, what have been effect of the movement of the plates? Option A change in position and size of continents. Option B formation of ocean basins. Option C evolution of the present landforms and relief of India. Option C D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Next question. According to the theory of plate tectonic, when some plant moves away from each other, which of the following is formed? Option A, convergent boundary, divergent boundary. Option C, transform boundary. Option D, none of the above. Option B, divergent boundaries. Next question. According to the theory of plate tectonic, the movement of the plates result in some geological activity. Which of the following is not such a geological activity? Option A, volcanic activity. Option B, folding. Option C, faulting. Option D, glaciation. Right answer is option D, glaciation. Next question. Which of the following plausible theory presented by earth scientists to explain the formation of continents and oceans and various landforms? Option A, theory of motion. Option B, theory of plate tectonic. Option C, theory of evolution. Option D, theory of relativity. Right answer is option B, theory of plate tectonic. Next question. Which of the following is responsible, sorry for the typing mistake, for the variation of color in the color of the soil in different part of India? Option A, different in rock formation. Option B, weathering. Option C, erosion and deposition. Option D, land use. Right answer is option A, difference in rock formation. Next question. Part 2. Consider the following statement is or are related to the climate of India. I. It has tropical monsoon type of climate. Double I. Alternating season is the chief characteristic of Indian climate. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Option A, only I. Only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C, both I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement is or are related to the factor affecting the climate of India. I, latitude. Double I, distance from the sea. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Code. Option A, only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I and double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C, both I and double I. Next question. Which of the following is defined as the northern frontiers of India? Option A, Himalayan mountain range. Option B, Karakoram range. Option C, Aravalli range. Option B, Satpura range. Right answer is option A, Himalayan mountain range. Next question. Which of the following is the highest point in India? Option A, Mount Everest. Option B, Doda Beta. Option C, Kanchenjunga. Option C, George Everest. Right answer is option C, Kanchenjunga. Next question. Consider the following statement is or are related to the northern mountains. I. The great arc of mountains consisting of the Himalayas of Nepal, Hindu Kush and Patki range define the northern Indian subcontinent. Double I. The mountains in this region include some of the world's tallest mountains which act as a natural barrier to the cold polar winds. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Code. Option A, only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I and double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C, both I and double I. Next question. Which of the following place in the Jammu and Kashmir famous for saffron cultivation? Option A, Pampore. Option B, Kashmir. Option C, Jammu. Option D, Khatua. Right answer is option A, Pampore. Consider the following statement. Each or are related to the Vidhya range. Vindhya range. Option A, geographically separates North India from South India. Double I, the western end of the ranges lies in Western Ghat, Gujarat, near its border with Madhya Pradesh, and runs east and north, almost meeting the Gangas in Mirzapur. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Code. Option A, only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I and double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Option C, answer is option C, both I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the Deccan Plateau. I. It is a large triangular plateau bounded by a Vindhyas to the north and flanked by the eastern and western Ghats. Double I. It slopes gently from west to east and gives rise to several peninsular rivers such as Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri, and Mahanadi, which drains into the Bay of Bengal. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Code. Option A, only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I and double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C, both I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the Nagpur Plateau. It is situated in eastern India, covering much of Jharkhand, adjacent part of Odisha, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh. Double I. The natural vegetation is most of the peninsula is exeric shore, part of northwestern through of forest ecoregion. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A, only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I and double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C, both I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the Satpura range. I. It begins in eastern Gujarat near the Arabian Sea coast and runs west-east across Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. Double I. It is triangular in shape with its apex in Rattanpur and the two sides being parallel to the Tapti and Narmada river. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Code. Only I. Option A, only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I and double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C, both I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the Aravalli ranges. It is the oldest mountain range in India, running across Rajasthan from northeast to the southwest direction, extending approximately 800 kilometers. Double I. The northern end of the range continue as isolated hills and rocky ridges into Haryana, ending near Delhi. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Code. Option A, only I. Option B only double I. Option C both I and double I. Option D neither I nor double I. Right answer is option B only double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the Western Ghats or Sahyadri mountains. I. It runs along western edge of India's Deccan Plateau and separate it from a narrow coastal plain along the Arabian Sea. Double A. The range runs approximately 1600 km from south of the Tapti River near Gujarat and Maharashtra border and across Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu to the southern tip of Deccan Peninsula. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Code. Option A only I. Option B only double I. Option C both I and double I. Option D neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C both I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the Eastern Ghats. I. It is discontinued range of mountain which have been ended and vivisected by four major rivers of southern India, the Godavari, the Mahanadi, the Krishna and the Kaveri. Option double I. The Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu lies in the junction of the eastern and western Ghats. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A only I. Option B only double I. Option C both I and double I. Option D neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the Indo-Gangetic plain. I. It runs parallel to Himalayas from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Assam in the east and drain most of northern and eastern India. Double I. The major rivers in this region are Ganges, Indus, Brahmaputra along with their main tributaries Yamuna, Chambal, Gomati, Ghaggar, Kosi, Sutlej, Ravi, Bees, Chenab and Tista. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A only I. Option B only double I. Option C both I and double I. Option D neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C both I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the Thar desert. I. The desert continues into Pakistan as the Cholistan desert. Double I. Most of the Thar desert is situated in Rajasthan, covering 61% of the geographic area. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A I only I. Option B only double I. Option C both I and double I. Option D neither I nor double I. Right answer is both I and double I. Next question. Consider the following statement. Is or are related to the eastern coastal plain. Option A. It is a wide stretch of land lying between the Eastern Ghat and oceanic boundary of India. It stretches from Tamil Nadu in the south to the West Bengal in the east. The region receives both the northeast monsoon and southeast monsoon rain. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A only I. Option B only double I. Option C both I and double I. Option D neither I nor double I. Right answer is option C both I and double I. Next question. Which of the following statement is related to the water project and dam? Ranjit Sagar Dam is on the river Bees Hirakud Dam is on River Damodar. Option 3, triple I. The reservoir Gandhi Sagar on, is on the river Chambal. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A, both I and double I. Option B, only triple I only. Option C, both double I and triple I. Option D, both I and triple I. Option B, only triple I. Next question. Consider the following statement is or are related to the cold weather season. Option I. The cold weather season starts in October. Double I. States like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan being far away from the moderating influence of sea experience continental climate. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A, only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I and double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Right answer is option B, only double I. Next question. Consider the following statement is or are related to the jet stream. Air current in the upper layer of the atmosphere known as jet stream could determine the arrival of the monsoon and departure of the monsoon. Double I. The major jet stream on earth are easterly wind following west to east. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A, only I. Option B, only double I. Option C, both I and double I. Option D, neither I nor double I. Right answer is option A, only I. Next question. Which of the following region in India receives rainfall from the winter disturbance? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Western Ghat. Kerala. Right answer is option A, Punjab. Next question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.